Can I use my own skip tracing and data services? Skip tracing and data, yeah, you can. We'll knock $500 off. If you bring us skip trace data, you say, hey, I've mailed these, whatever, I have the data, this stuff works, we'll call it. If it's not working, I'm going to ask you to reevaluate your approach because if we go pull data for you and we skip it and we clean it and we start getting results, it's going to be worth the extra $500 for us to go skip trace and do all that. It'll cost you more than that to do it yourself anyway. So we do have people. I get it. Like if you've gone out and you've been diligent about cleaning up data and you've already paid for it and you know it's good because you texted it before and it worked. I'm on board. I'm trying to make you win. So yeah, we'll knock $500 off. We'll use stuff that works. Sometimes people come and they have a bunch of garbage data and we start calling it and I just tell them, hey, this is not working. Like I'm not seeing 20 leads a week. Or we're getting leads, but then we're going to convert them and they're bad. Like we have a 1%, like we're converting one of these people, something's wrong. So usually that's the data. And we can look at that because we measure so many numbers throughout our system. I can tell how your data is performing and I'll just let you know.